Hello and welcome to the men's guide to buying sexy lingerie from Sexy Belle. Now, lingerie can be the perfect gift, whether that's a Valentine's Day, birthday or just for a special gift. But of course, choosing the correct pair and getting it in the right size can be a little difficult. So we're here to give you all the tips and tricks to buying the perfect lingerie for your partner. So firstly, you need to make sure you get the correct size. This can be a little complicated if you are not used to bra sizing, as it can look a little confusing. But the easiest way is to sneak into her lingerie drawer when she isn't there and have a quick look at some of her favourite bras, and there should be a little tag inside which says the size. First you need the band size, which can range from 28 to 52, and that is her band size. Next to that there will also be a letter, and this is the cup size. You put these two together and you have her bra size. It could not be easier than that. And next you need to know her knicker size so you can get her the complete set. So for this, again, you need to find a pair that you know she likes wearing, and there should again be a label inside. This will either have a letter or a number. This corresponds to her size, and on Sexy Belle you can actually search by size. So once you have both of these, write them down so you don't forget, and then you can go onto Sexy Belle and search by size to find the perfect lingerie for her. Next up, you need to think about your budget. How much do you want to spend? And don't always think that cheap means they are not as luxurious, because they really are. Again, on Sexy Belle's website you can search by price, so maybe you want something under 30. They have brands such as Bluebella, Pomoir, Scantily by Curvy Kate, and these are all absolutely beautiful lingerie pieces that come in a range of sizes and colours, so you're sure to find something. And of course they do have more luxurious brands such as Audrey, Coco and Lise Charmel, which are more luxurious, so they do have quite a higher price tag, but again they have so much choice on the website, both in colour and style, so you're sure to find something that will suit them perfectly. Next up we come to the minefield that is style. There are so many different lingerie styles, and you really need to think about what she may already have, as these are probably what she's most comfortable in. So it's always a good idea to get something that is similar at least. So again, you need to go and have a look in her lingerie drawer and see what she already has. If it has moulded cups and the band is a bit rigid, she likes an underwired. If there is none of that, she may prefer a bralette or something softer. So again, what she already has will give you a very good indication. Of course, lingerie isn't just bras and knickers. There are of course bodysuits and chemise and all those different things. So again, have a look what she already owns, or maybe you want to get something completely different, but of course that is more of a risk. I would always suggest make sure that you get something similar to what she already has, and maybe just a different colour or something like that. Now, if you really want to nail it and get the perfect gift, you need to know what type of material she likes to wear. Again, you need to see what she already owns. Maybe she likes lace or satin or just cotton. Sexy Belle do have something in each of these, so you're sure to find something that is suitable. And lingerie is just like clothing. Each style suits someone different or what they prefer, so you really need to think about what she wears. And maybe she likes wearing more baggy clothes, so maybe not a form-fitting bodysuit, she may not like wearing that. Though again, if she likes wearing tight clothes, maybe more of a fitted style would suit her better. Of course, Sexy Belle have everything from form-fitting leather to very soft and flowy lace. So you have such a choice of what to get. Sexy Belle do actually have a perfect gift section on their website, which just makes this selection so much easier. They have all the bras and knickers that go along with it, so you do make sure that you get that perfect set and it all matches, which of course is so important. And there is of course a nightwear on that, so again, depending on her style, you can get something that suits her perfectly. They do also have lingerie gift sets, which means that everything you need is all in one package all together. You simply just buy that in her correct size and you have the ultimate gift. Again, these are available in so many different colours, styles, brands and price tags. Lingerie gift sets are definitely the easier option if you are very unsure about what to buy, and they make the perfect ultimate gift. So I hope you found this buying lingerie guide very helpful, and also means that you will get the perfect gift no matter what her style, size or what your budget is. There is definitely something for everyone on Sexy Belle's website, and a link to everything mentioned and shown will be in the description bar below. So we hope you found this helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you did, and we'll see you soon with another video.